Petite cerise qui ne cesse de rougir, je t'écris cette chanson pour mon plus grand plaisir. Tu te souviens notre premier jour, déjà je disais qu'entre nous du sérieux c'était. En effet je savais que les jours c'est en moi et année que je les compterais. Tu vois 1 an et 1 mois plus tard, je compte de ma plume cette petite histoire. Année 2006, comme toujours l'envie de bien faire subsiste. Mais cette année semblait me narguer, embarqué dans la galère j'ai craqué. Malchance et stupidité l'ont emporté, déporté sur une route au sentier peu éclairé. 2 mois seulement étaient passés ainsi, je redoutais la suite. Hausse de ma consommation de shit et quelques cuites pour tenir la distance. Cramer mes neurones comme de l'essence, l'essence endormie, évasion de l'esprit. Mais à la mi-mars tout a changé, grâce à une autre fille nos rapports ont évolué, dépassant de loin l'amitié. Maintenant je sais que besoin de toi j'avais. Toutes les planètes ne se valent pas, mais le bonheur perdure au fur et à mesure. Plus rien ne s'en va, ne s'en va. Tu sais que rares ont été les prises de tête, et bizarrement je souris quand j'y repense dans ma tête. Il y a tant de détails qui me font penser à toi, et toutes ces musiques que je ne peux écouter sans toi. Tu sais que pareil que cette pudeur, je n'ai pas pour habitude d'écrire avec le cœur, mais cette chanson ma foi, tu la mérites 1000 fois. Car aujourd'hui si je t'écris, c'est que je te remercie d'être resté auprès de moi, malgré ces plusieurs mois de pépins physiques pour moi. Si je ne compte pas ma famille, tu es la seule personne qui m'a soutenu, une aide indispensable que j'ai reçue. Je sais que tu joueras la carte de la modestie, mais je te le dis, il y a un tas de filles qui m'auraient lâché afin de s'éclater un peu plus à leur soirée. Ainsi je suis fier de toi, fier de mon choix, car j'ai choisi le bonheur avec toi. La discussion s'allongea et tous deux s'allongèrent. Hier la terre, aujourd'hui Pluton, elle traverse et retourne mon imagination. La vie a fait naître en moi un sentiment de méfiance, mais désormais le futur n'a plus guère d'importance, car le présent que tu m'offres est chaque jour plus intense. Et j'enchaîne sur un 3e couplet, car écrire sur toi, tu vois ça me plaît. En quelque sorte tu es la source de mon inspiration, celle qui embellit mes journées de la plus belle des façons. En fait de toutes les filles que j'ai connues, tu es la seule qui mérite toute mon attention. J'ai vu la pluie faire naître une fleur, une touche de douceur, une touche de bonheur. Et si un jour cette histoire doit prendre fin, quoi qu'il se passe, c'est avec le sourire que je m'en rappellerai. Intense, chance, espérance, voici un bout de route sans nuance.
I guess I should've listened. See, you were that dime piece I couldn't pass up, but now I'm thinking back, I should've. I'm thinking and wishing, if only I listened, I wouldn't be missing you in this condition I'm in. Would've been a broken heart at the start. You gave me the spark, now I'm left in the dark. We did what we like, it was for only one night. I broke out of sight, went on with my life, thinking it was alright. Telling me I got a seed, named it after me, couldn't believe. So now you're telling me it took one line, one time to make you mine. Here you come as I shine, there just wasn't time. But the crime would be to take responsibility of what I created. I made it, it just couldn't be. So shorty, we get along, make a relationship strong. How things change from one night to getting it on. I guess I was wrong, thought the way I was feeling. It's hard to believe the situation I was dealing with. How this ever happened to me? The breaking your heart will leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in, but I never. Nothing's ever happened to me. Breaking your heart will leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I'm in. And after 2 years, what I didn't want to hear, and my biggest fear of my whole life was going to shift gears, telling me that little one may not be the one. I may not be the father to the daughter, the son. The pain has begun. I don't know, I can't let go. Your pain hit me low like putting us on a talk show. For real though, I heard how you are. It was so bizarre, I can't believe I received a crushed heart. By far results made me feel it's my fault. As you pour on the salt in my wounds, I got caught up with you. I didn't have a clue and I'm through. I see someone new as I seek a new, but with no lie, just the truth. I gotta watch out what these chicken heads are all about. Tell the kids they got a friend, and I'll always send my love. Hope the heart's made, cause this is the end, and I'll never get lied to again.
I never
Thought this ever happened to me.
I never
The breaking your heart would leave me lonely.
I never
Had to go and deal with something like this.
I never
Thought you'd be the one that I met. I never thought this ever happened to me.
I never
Breaking your heart would leave me lonely.
I never
Had to go and deal with something like this.
I never
Thought you'd be the one that I met. I never would've thought I'd get caught up in your game. You have one thing to game, do you have no shame? I guess I'm to blame for that lust of one night. So I must go and do right. You're not ruining my life as much as you like, but that kid is not mine. Helping you's the last time. What you did was a crime. I got you with one line. I have so many regrets. Time for me to step, cause my heart is nothing in it left. Thought I was blessed, turned out to be a curse, but things couldn't get any worse. You bring more hurt when they're giving you the shirt off my back for you. Now I'm here, I'm at that point, I'm done with you, boo. Don't wanna be rude, but it all has come to an end. You better start over and over, God knows where you've been. I hate it, perpetrated the ultimate sin. You went from 1 to being a 10, a brother can't win.
I never
Thought this ever happened to me.
I never
The breaking your heart would leave me lonely.
I never
Had to go and deal with something like this.
I never
Thought you'd be the one that I'm in, and I never thought that would ever happen to me.
I never
Breaking your heart would leave me lonely.
I never
Had to go and deal with something like this.
I never
Thought you'd be the one that I'm in. Black roots, baby.
Spread out with it. South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, on to North Carolina, Philadelphia, Virginia. From down in Miami where it warm in the winter, on up to Minnesota where it storm in the winter. Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Memphis, 10, holla at me. B&H-Town, Southside, Cloverland, daddy, I'm the man out in Dallas. Better ask Cali, Catman, Cali with my eyes open valley. Blowing that spinning, going down Vinny. Drop 6, 4, 3, wheel here switching. Red light stop, make it drop for the bitch. Got a Glock 4, 5th, blow your head out with it. Anything you hear that I said, I meant it. Kane got the crown, then spit out with it. Say you need bricks, I said I
If
get
you
it.
want to, we can supply you. Got enough work to feed the whole town. They won't shoot you unless you try to. Come around and try to stop on our ground, cause we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over.
Black flag, we rich. Yeah,
Listen.
bounce. It's what I does. I get money every day I does that. It's how I ride. Black flag on the left, 2 hoes and ride. You better move. AK, I'm dead. Get shut up like shine. That's on my neck. I'm big like Diddy. Damn it, I'm with it. Cali, we did it. Biggie in my city. Please don't fit it. Fuck it, I'm too. The bread and get brain stupid. Money that come, run it like water. Mommy so hot, damn it, she Miami on fire, you better be. Might get shot on the porch of your fortress. Yeah, they see it, but no one reports it. I run in,
Cause
Rick
we
Ross,
taking
about
over.
shit.
Said we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over.
BXTS, nigga.
Listen.
When you see crack, better duck like the Mac, gotta ease past. Nigga, what shit? I don't give a fuck, I run these streets. Y'all talk that shit, I want that beef. I'ma tell you like a G told me, they'll come back quick if a nigga OD. Cash rule everything around me. I'm YSL, Versace. You can see me in that Porsche GT. Coming down Sunset, sitting on D. Feeling like Pac, all eyes on me. Fresh bandana and I'm blowing mad trees. Nigga, please, I spit crack every verse is key. Some say Khaled, some say Khalid. 12 years down and I'm finally
If you
free.
want to, we